Afternoon. We did a little setup here. As you can see, you see me. I did this thing where I removed the background. That's pretty cool extension done. That is pretty cool. Also, I did add in these cool glasses as well, and I thought that was kind of interesting. Anyways, so hopefully music is not too loud. I want to try to make the room more inviting. Okay, so I want to go ahead and get started on a project, but I want to go ahead and get started on a project. But before we go ahead and start coding everything out, I kind of like to have a visual layout that I'm gonna proceed and work on. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm on Figma. If you're not familiar with Figma, it's a place where you can go ahead and design your UI and UX layout really nice. So I love it here, and I went down here and clicked on frame so we can get that setup going. As you can see, you can pick from phone, tablets, desktop. I am gonna do a desktop first. Great question. Our presentation slide. Maybe we'll do a MacBook Air. Cool, pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna get started on a MacBook Air. Within this MacBook Air, okay, just made it a little bit bigger. So within this MacBook Air, I think you can definitely change it as well. What is it? Is it 1920 by 1280? 1920 by 1280. Okay, shrink that a little bit. Here, I'm gonna rename it to homepage. So I'm gonna go ahead and rename it to a homepage. Oh my goodness, you see, I'm gonna, okay, still trying to get used to it. So I was kind of blurred out there for a bit. Okay, so here, pretend we're getting to the home page, and for my app or my website application that I'm working on, yeah, I will be doing it based on a social media. So I'm excited to go ahead. Okay, so we did that. So let's go ahead and just put in placeholders. I don't specifically have any assets in right now, but it will continue to grow as we keep going as well. So we'll have a placeholder here for our logo. I like to name it logo. Oh, rename. There we go. Okay. So rename is Command R. Okay. So this are gonna be our logo. I want to fill it currently. I don't have a specific scheme color yet, but we're gonna go with just we're gonna go with red for some placeholders. And then here, along with that, oh, okay. So we're gonna go for a logo. Maybe I want to add. Okay, let me undo that. Feel free to let me know, because I was thinking of doing the logo like that, but I am just gonna do all of it like this, and this is gonna be our nav bar. I'm gonna go ahead and call it the nav bar. And we're gonna go ahead and fill it with red. Within the nav bar, we're gonna go ahead and have our logo. Command R logo. You see that? Learn the command there. But we need to fill it. Fill with the blue. Okay. That works as well. And I want to go ahead and add in our navigation area. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna move this just a little bit. command our navigation links. Let's go ahead and call it navigation links. Oh, I want this one. Let's go ahead and fill it. Cool. And here, what I essentially want to do is go ahead and add an off. So this person here should be able to go ahead and this will be called account. Let's go ahead and call it an account. And here, let's go ahead and fill it. So, okay, so in my mind right now, I see this website being the navigation bar. Right when you get in, you see the logo. You'll be able to see the links here. And then you see the account settings where you can go ahead and log in, log out, sign up, and register, all that good stuff. So that's how I envision this website right now. And then afterwards, let's go ahead and add the... Excuse me if I'm saying it wrong, but my understanding is I believe this will be the hero section. So I am gonna go ahead. Let's put it after. We're going to rename it hero section. And then let's go ahead and fill it as well. And then we have another particular. This one will be called the footer section. Here, let's go ahead and fill it. Okay, so this is what I'm envisioning so far for this website. So, okay, in the hero section, in this section, the middle section, the best part, we are going to have, let me just move that up just a little bit. So for sure red isn't the color. I don't foresee red being in the color scheme, but this is just something we're using for right now until we get going. Okay, but okay, so this is what we have, the nav bar, the hero section. So this is the landing page when you go ahead and land onto the website, and then we'll have some within the hero section. We'll have some text. We'll have an exciting promotion right here. We'll call it promotional. And then in the other section here, we'll have sign up today. In this section here. Okay, we want it outside of promotional. Not like that. I want it part of hero still. Yeah. Not part promotion, but hero. Perfect. Okay, here we'll call it offer. And we'll have another one and we'll call it testimonial. Testimonial. Pretty sure that's how you say testimonial. Okay, so this is what I'm envisioning. So we're gonna go ahead and make a chunk of this. This is what our landing page is gonna look like. Our footer right here. We'll go ahead and get our social media links. Let's go ahead and name that social media links. Perfect. And then also another part of adding to the footer, be a copyright. Okay, so I know that all of these are just placeholders right now, but I hope you guys have been enjoying this this steady layout as we keep going as well. So let's go ahead and write this out. Do I have a... So making sure that you can see a little bit of everything. So yeah, this is what we have right now. So once you log in onto the website, you'll get the logo, you'll get the navigation, and then you'll get the account login, and then we'll get into the main page. So yeah, okay, and then the other one, I think I'm gonna use Jira. Do I use Jira? There's a Kanban. There's Kanban, Jira. I think Jira you have to have... Yeah, I think Jira you have to have a website with them versus Kanban. I think Kanban is free. I remember using Kanban and it was free. I know that people have used like Notion before. I know that people have used like GitHub before. So essentially what I'm trying to look for is somewhere. I'm looking for a website. Hi Eddie, how are you? Happy Sunday. Yeah, right now I'm looking for a tool to help me set up tasks to do things in an agile process. And I am familiar with Kanban, but I don't think it's called Kanban tool. So I'm trying to look for a tool that you can do. Yeah, I'm working on trying to set up a project. So this is what I have so far. Right now there are placeholders. So the way I envisioned this, as you can see here, this is the nav bar for, you know, like a traditional website. I'm just trying to picture any website in particular right now. I don't have any color schemes yet, so more to come on that as well. So in our nav bar, we'll have our logo on the top left, and then we'll have some navigation links, the account as well on the right, as you can see right here. And then in the middle section, this is where we do our promotionals, and then our offer and saying like, hey, register today if you want to do have some fun. So yeah. Yeah, I was thinking of using Jira, but is Jira free? My only concern. Okay, free for 10 users. Okay. Perfect. I used another tool before, and I think I used Kanban. Yeah, no, that maybe 3. 1. We'll do 1 for now. Yes, I was thinking of doing GitHub projects, but I don't... Maybe I do. Let me open up my GitHub. Interesting. I thought I was logged in. Let me check my GitHub quick. I thought I was logged in. That's so weird. No, I swear I was logged in. Unless something happened. Oh, maybe that's what I was using. But that was like... Yes. Okay, I think it looks like Trello. Let me see. Because I think it'd be really good for me to have it on GitHub. Thank you so much for bringing that up. I was like, I know it was like Kanban, but it wasn't Kanban. It was something similar to that. Okay. So, okay, I finally got GitHub working. And then the one I'm working on, right? Which project am I working on? I hope you're having a good Sunday night, Eddie, and hopefully not working. So, hopefully you're well rested. My projects. I was like, oh my gosh, all my projects disappeared. Okay, because I was in projects. I'm not in repo. Okay, but yes. So, this is the one I'm working on right now. XBS bot. Okay. So I haven't added anything, but I think with this one I can create, provide quick access. I think I can create a project here.
Celebrating our DIY loving friend, My Melody, with a craft that's sweet like cake.
Get
In honor
started.
of our most caring friend's birthday this month.
Issues. Now I think I should be able to do it here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Yeah, I think this would be perfect. Oh, fun. Is it more of a project based, or are you working on algorithms? Yeah, what you working on, Eddie? Start from scratch. Board. Okay. Roadmap. I'm gonna go ahead and create a board. But I think they had it here. Bug tracker, Kanban, iterative development, product launch, team retrospective. Yeah, I think this one will be... I don't think it'll be team planning. I think it'll be Kanban. Okay, so yeah, we haven't gotten to bug tracker yet. Let's see, iterative. Not table board. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and just start out with the board, and we can always develop more as we go. Okay, so as of the moment, right now, we will go ahead and add a new item. I want, this one will be called... Hi Chris, how are ya? We're working on projects right now. That's pretty cool, Eddie. What kind of project? May I ask if it's a personal project or is it a group project? That's pretty exciting. So yeah, this project name, I want to call it... I don't have a cool name yet. So what it is essentially is it's going to be a bot that's going to help you cross post on social media a lot faster. So then instead of having to open up each individual app, we can go ahead and post it on there. So yeah, with a project name, I haven't come up with a cool name yet, but we're going to call it cross poster for now. No, we'll call it this for now. BS bot. And a short description about this project. Post on multiple social media simultaneously. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Did it save? Okay, I think it saved. Okay, cool. Okay, just making sure. I was like, hey, nothing happened, nothing's going on. Okay, it saved. Okay, okay, so what we're gonna do is let's go ahead and create some fun tickets. So as we build our... I just put some placeholders here for now. I will come up with assets as we go on later as we iterate through this project. So as of the moment, they're just placeholders for it. So what we're gonna do is go ahead. So a couple things to do is create a new issue. So what we're gonna do is generate assets. Yes. What I would like to do here is create a logo. Any pictures for the website. So assets will be the logo, any pictures that will help with, explaining the product, pictures for the website to help explain the products, the product offer, and promotions. Yeah, okay, so that's one thing. Algorithms number 2. Interesting, interesting. Algorithms number 2. Does it usually say algorithms number 2? Did I put it in the wrong folder? I meant to put this in the... Does it let me change? No, it doesn't, huh? Open a new tab, copy link and project. Add this to... That is my fault. I thought I put it under a different project, not algorithms. Let's see. Copy link, pin aside, open a new tab, copy link in project. Copy link. Status is to do, which is correct. I want to change this though to a different GitHub. Okay, let's go ahead. Maybe I have to close it. Let's go ahead and create another new issue. That is my fault because when I did it, I never selected the correct one. Okay, so now it will go under the correct project repo. So that was my fault for creating it under the other different one. So yeah, create assets. So here, generate logo, generate images for promotions, offers, and testimonials. Testimonials. That sounds right. Oh, that's awesome, Eddie. Well, hopefully I get to see you do it. So, yeah, if you're planning to stream in a little bit, I'll swing by and definitely check it out. So, yeah, I love to see what's going on, what you've been up to and are creating. So, yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and create another new issue. Okay, so along with this, what we're gonna do, create title. Okay, work on front end part, and within the front. How exciting! Well, y'all have to tell me more about your portfolio, and I can't wait to go ahead and read some social media updates. So hopefully you'll be posting it as well, so we can get to know more about it. Bummer! But hopefully I'll get to hear it indirectly somehow. So yeah, it's been a while, so... So here... install React. So we're gonna go ahead and install React first. We'll go ahead and work install React for front end. And then in the other does that look funny? That looks a little funny. Cause then I have to open it up. And then, okay, so I don't really like the sub issues like this. Yes, you know, it's been a while since we talked too as well. So yeah, I love to catch up sometimes too and get to know more about what you're up to and what you're doing. So yeah, okay, I didn't like that. That suppress like the ticket of installing React, and I want to be able to see the tickets of being able to see the React instead of work on front end. And then okay, oh okay, wait, the React popped up here though, so but going forward I don't think I really like that. Okay, so within the React, once we go ahead and install React, then we will have to install all the other parts as well. Create a new issue after. Okay, so this one is install necessary dependencies. So install necessary dependencies. Okay, so some necessary dependencies that I've learned that we need for projects are definitely for sure any linters, prettier linters, testing, unit, integration, and end-to-end. Don't look at my spelling errors. I didn't anticipate tonight was gonna consist of spelling errors. So, but yeah, so I did that right. But okay, so linters, prettier, testing, anything else you guys can think of that we should add for dependencies, feel free to let me know as well. Okay, so linters, prettier, testing. Potentially Docker, potentially a containerized area to run, containerized area for running the code to test it before actually deploying it, to main. Yeah, with this project that I'm doing right now, although it is just myself, I would still like to keep practicing the whole having my own separate branch, deploy it to that main branch. We can call it, deploying it to that main branch, and that main branch will deploy it to the main branch. So the production versus the other environment that we're just running around playing in. So yeah, I would still like to keep that going. So hence why I was thinking of doing some containerized area for running that. Yeah. Okay. Can I put that here? Yeah. We'll put that here. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so after doing that, installing React and then installing the necessary dependencies, let's go ahead and create a new issue. So along with this issue, now that we got React set up, dependencies and everything set up, let's go ahead and we will work with the navigation bar. So navigation bar. Feel free to let me know otherwise if there's a different type of steps that we should, or if I'm missing any steps too that should be added as well. Love to know that as well. So we're gonna go ahead and work on our navigation bar. With the navigation bar, we will insert the logo, create the links, and position it accordingly. To the right, create the account setup placeholder. We'll call it placeholder. I was gonna say that let's go ahead and create the account link, but yes, no need to rush it yet. So one step at a time. But we're gonna create it just as placeholders right now, and then we'll keep growing as we go. So create the account placeholders. Okay. So that was all that it was for the nav bar right here, as you can see. So we have the logo right here to our left, and then we have the navigation area, navigation links, and then we have this as well. Yeah, let's go ahead and create that. After navigation bar, let's go ahead and create we can go ahead and work on the middle section. Work on hero. Is it called a hero section? Hero section would work too. This contains promotion, offer testimonials, explaining the product itself, or showcasing. Testimonials. Okay, so that would include. So we're gonna work at the hero section, contains promotion. So one, we're gonna go ahead and work. Insert typography for promotion. Yeah, I do really want to get more specific with the typography. As you can see right now in this certain Figma right now, it is just. Let's go ahead. As right now, all of this is just a placeholder, but I do want to get into very specific typography, the font as well, the color schemes. We're going to get into all that fun stuff as well. So insert typography for promotion, add another section for offers. Yeah, so we'll do that. We'll do here. Select color schemes and font. So yeah, we'll create select color schemes, font size, color schemes and font. Is there anything else I want to add to that? I was thinking, do I want to add any designs? Do I want squares, circles? I don't think I necessarily need that just yet. I think because color schemes and font size is good place to go ahead and start out with. So my MVP will definitely be just being able to go ahead and have a use. We'll talk more about the MVP because yeah, I think it'd be great to go ahead and write up like an MVP to see what I will be able to do. So okay, so we're gonna create assets. So we'll do all that. After we work on the hero section, we're gonna work on the footer section. So within here, in this footer section, for the footer section, we're gonna add in copyright information on the bottom left a web page. Then 2, add in the social media links on the bottom right of web page for the footer. Yeah. Okay, so we got our front end part that we were going to talk about. So we're getting all of that going, and then after we get our front end, that landing page done, let's go. We'll work more on all these authentication and all that fun stuff, and get our back end working and linking together. So yeah. Okay, so we got this set up. And then, so we're gonna create the assets. Generate images. Yeah, because I think I can go. Does it give you free? Okay, no, that's something different. No, wait, it does. Oh, it gives you some icons for iOS. And it gives you some buttons that you can play around with. Yes. Okay. I would be interested to see in any logos. Menu will definitely come later when we go ahead and get our webpage situated. Then we'll go ahead and make everything mobile, and we'll be able to add in like a menu bar when you go ahead and shrink the web page. So we'll make it mobile friendly afterwards. Does it have navigation bar already? For mobile wise, for iOS. Sorry. Okay, let me come back out of the iOS. Okay, so that's understandable why it's iOS, because that's for mobile. It's understandable. Icons. Okay, so we don't need an icon like that yet. An avatar. Okay, can I insert instance? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so this is to represent my account, and I would like to shrink. Oops. I would like to shrink this a little bit more. And I want to be a little bit more precise with the dimensions, so then I can go ahead, when I go ahead and play or insert it into the web page, I can go ahead and just look into Figma, and I can understand the padding between the padding between this avatar and the box that it's in as well. So yeah, so I definitely want to do that. I want to be like a little bit precise about this as well. Let's see. Oh. Buttons, chips, date pickers, icons list, navigation, snack bar. A snack bar? It's not what I'm thinking. That's not the type of snack bar that I'm used to. Just kidding. Okay. Accordions, avatar. Snazzy. Okay, it kind of shows you. So this one right here, it kind of shows you a simple. Curious to see. Okay, so it gives you a little about page. As you can see, the navigation bar is right here with the logo, the links, and then sign up or register in the account, similar to the nav bar I was thinking of. The title, which is what I was thinking of, the hero section, the heading. Interesting. Okay, that's a good. I love these examples that Figma gives you, because as a person who's not really heavy with UI UX yet, this helps generate some ideas and thoughts. A landing page. I would love to take a look at this landing page. Very simple. 1, 2, 3. The buttons as well. I do envision seeing like a typography like this and saying click now, join us now. So yeah, I do envision that. Okay. Oh. Sorry, I gotta run. So it was good hanging out with you guys. So let's go ahead and hang out soon. I can't wait to show you some finished products.